So here's the result regarding about how you maintain your shiny face and all. And of course, happy, you know, like the happy heart and all. Smile in any challenges. Char. But, mo ni siya ang result sa tulo ka ingredients. Kung saan mo pagkabalo nga tama na ang mixture, kung makaon na mo siya. I like it a lot. Honey, lemon, and yogurt. It's really yum. I like it a lot. You can put in the refrigerator. I usually do it like for 1 week. And then after that, you know, in the morning, after I go to like chicken, taking care of chicken, doing the farm thing, especially if the weekend, like I work so hard, I'll be outside for a lot of time. On the evening time, I do me time, and that's where I put this. And then, you know, when I put this, watch TV and all. You can put like 10 minutes if you're busy, like me in the morning when I have a work. I put it like 10-15 minutes, and you know, after you wash it, it's really very soft. But on the weekend, I try to put a little bit longer. Yeah, just do it all over your face. And you can put also on your neck if you want to. You can really see the result. It's really so beautiful. I don't really do this a lot. Actually, I start using this when I was in the Middle East because I don't really put anything on my face. Like, I don't know what moisturizer I put or something like that. And then when I was in the Middle East, my skin is really rough. And if I feel if I put moisturizer, I know that I don't put properly. If I put moisturizer, it will be more like, not, my skin is so oily and it's not comfortable, you know, and I don't know how to blend things and all, but this helps me a lot. And when I was in Germany, oh my God, my skin was so rough and all, and because of the winter there, that's where I discovered a lot of like coconut oil and all. But I didn't do it really seriously. The time that I do it really seriously when I'm settled already, like in Korea, I started there. But the serious thing that I really do about coconut is here in the US. Yeah. During all my busy time and all, so I always do that. I eat. If you have time, if I have time, I do a lot. I do thick. But if I have only little time, I do where I have most of the thing, like, you know, when you smile, there's a lot of wrinkle there. And sometimes I do sunburn here. In the Philippines, I don't really do sunburn. I feel like my skin is very light here. So I try to put a lot on that side because it gives me like a pigmentation that blacken my skin after I'll be in the sun for so long. But that's the other reason also why I don't put a lot of so many things in my skin, because I like to be outside. I know a lot of things that you put in your skin, if you're outside, it will spoil your skin. These days, because I'm already 50s, right? I do quite a few of sunscreen, and I try to check which one is good for me. So first, 2 of the sunscreen that I'm using, they're working good on me. I don't use them permanently the same. I always try to change a little bit because I still don't know which one works. So that's like that. I have like 4 minutes of doing because I'm talking, but if I don't do that, it's really like takes very fast. Even like 5 seconds, it will be finished. I do a lot on this side, and then here, and then the forehead, and this side. Wherever the dryness, a lot, I put quite a few there because it's really yogurty, lemon and honey. That's a very good combination for your skin. It makes your skin so soft, and you know, it's like hydrated. Yeah, so makita ni mo, ni dry na siya na. So mo na siya nga nisuk na sa imong skin. That's really cool. I just rest like 20 minutes. I need to go because my husband is ready. We're going for shops. So I'll wash it. I do here in the kitchen kasi mas hayag siya eh. Dito mo good sa bathroom, dulong siya gamay. Kaya ulan-ulan rin sa amin. Oh. And try mo wash sa cold water. I love it. I like cold water. I really like cold water in my face. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya. See? So nice na. Makita niyo mo pag mag-smile ka, dili na siya ano. So beautiful. Wala dyan na siya unsa-unsa. Ganyan lang. That's the result. Nice. Thank you. That's the result. I just put a little bit of coconut oil. The coconut oil is for the whole body. So I usually, yes, use it for my face too. And then a little bit of sunscreen. Then ready. I'm ready to go. Yeah.